It's Levi. I'm back here again with another book fact. So this morning I spent my time reading Relentless, From Good to Great to Unstoppable by Timothy Grover. Now, Tim Grover, he basically became a famous coach for athletes when he was the first person to ever be able to get agreement to coach Michael Jordan. Now, why the book interested me in the first place is because he started with Michael Jordan. That was his first client that he ever got. Start with the absolute best, talk about that. But an interesting concept that he speaks about in Relentless is, are you a cleaner, a cooler, or a closer? As well. So it kind of categorizes the three different levels of motivation for you to be able to accomplish something, not just physically by doing it, but mentally, like what kind of mindset do you have behind it? And the cleaner is the mindset of these athletes that he goes through to explain further and further in the book. Do you have the mental ability to be able to, when you're still really sore, when your body's broken, to still be able to get back there and do what's needed to be the best, to achieve what's necessary. Then you have the cooler and the cleaner, which are basically the two levels before that. And it kind of gives you the framework to be able to decide for yourself, okay, what level am I actually working from? And he goes into apply it into multiple industries still. Of course, even though he is a sports coach, the biggest factor that he keeps mentioning back in this book is it's all about what's in here, what is in your mind. Because if you don't have the ability to be able to switch this on, to be able to achieve what's necessary to be because he didn't just coach Michael Jordan, he also did Kobe Bryant, Dwayne Wade, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. He's the coach that the gods of basketball basically go to, though, as well. So this book is a book that will be able to give you some interesting, easy to read framework for yourself to be able to understand mentally, your motivational levels. Where are you? Are you a cleaner? Are you a cooler? Are you a closer? Leave that down in the comments when you have read the book and you figured out what one you are. And I'm going to leave a link for the book down in the description as well. That's my book fact for today.